Welcome to our teaching session on assessment and learning. Today, we'll explore its concept, purpose, rules, and connection to Bloom's taxonomy.
If I check my own quiz answer, that is as learning.
So example po, if we take a final exam, that's of learning. For example po, if teachers give feedback while we practice, that's for learning.
Very good!
So assessment has roles: the formative, diagnostic, evaluative, motivation, and facilitative. So give some example for these roles. Teacher asks a question for the lesson. That's example of diagnostic.
Ma'am? So, for example, teacher gave encouraging feedback on my activity. That's example of the motivation.
Correct. And these roles make learning meaningful. So our objective can be framed as Bloom's taxonomy, which is to remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, and create. So remember means to recall definition, and understand, explain differences, apply means classify assessment example. Analyze is to compare formative versus summative, and evaluate, choose the best method, and lastly is to create, design your own activity. Objective guide is what assessment method we should use.
Yes.
Now, let's have a short activity. So I have here some scenario cards. So each card shows a situation about assessment. When you get a card, read it aloud and then tell us which type of assessment it is.
Students are writing a journal as learning. So, teacher give quarterly exam that are summative of learning.
Very good. See how objectives and assessment connect.
Assessment is for learning, not just about grades.
Okay, so goodbye class. That ends our